Okay, so I've been using the Noise app since May 15th. It is now like June 6th, and I've made about $56 or $57. I do it from anywhere. I'm doing it from my bed. I'm in the car right now waiting for an appointment. So I'm gonna do this right now. It's not a scam. It's so easy. All you do is post. A lot of times the content is given right to you. Super easy, 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 easy. I know we're on other apps trying to make money and we're making pennies a day. So why not do something where you can make $5 a day to start? But yeah, it'll grow and I'm excited to see where it goes.